Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in the shop again. That's my go-to saying now. We got a lot going on with a project that's getting ready to go out and wanted to highlight this and talk about it a little bit. It is an RFID project, and I'll jump right to the chase here. Inside of our little control panel, FX9600 from Zebra RFID reader. It's got a very short range antenna connected to it, a couple of photo eyes, a power supply, an Ethernet switch, and a PLC. The PLC is tied into our conveyor to stop the conveyor if there's a problem. It's RFID. It's part of the retail mandates that are coming up next year, where one of our customers has to start labeling all their products with RFID. And this is just a little runoff environment here in our shop, but the end application will be products coming down a conveyor line. They've been labeled with RFID, they've got an EPC in them, and we need 100% verification that that label is present and readable and has the correct data in it. So really this is a match code box. This is a match code box matching RFID. There's a teach button on the side, there's a reset button on the side, there's a stack light. All of this will be transferred to the customer's conveyor line in their actual production facility to confirm that there's an RFID tag label on all of their products and that it's encoded properly. So that's the premise. Let's give it a run here. I've got 4 jugs over here which are meant to represent my customer's product. Start up the conveyor here. It's running medium fast. It could run faster, but the actual application, and here's the RFID inlay. It is on the side that is closest to the antenna. This antenna is so sensitive that if you turn it this way, and I'll show you, it won't read it, and it'll show it as a no read. So if you run a product down the conveyor line, sees it, read it, yellow, green, it's good. If I run 2 of them fairly close together, read it, no problem. And if I run one backwards so that the inlay's on the back side, particularly if this were full of oil, by the way, it will not read it. And you'll get the bad read, and ideally it would shut the conveyor line down as well. And the reset button is right there. Operator comes over, resets it, and you're off and going again. So again, fixed reader, very short range antenna. That's to make sure that the product's oriented right in the conveyor. Also, by the way, if I got one coming right behind it, I got to make sure I'm reading this one, not the one behind it. That's why the antenna is this little specialized mini antenna. We got the power on the reader turned all the way down. And again, EMP Tech Group, we build the box. We can encode the reader so that it's reading right. We build all the other ancillary products so that you don't just get hardware, that you have to get it to work yourself. We've got a full system. We spec'd out the antenna. All comes to your shop, ready to use. EMPTechGroup.com, always the best place to reach us.